So we are in room 552. And this is a 1-bedroom. So we have a nice kitchen area here with microwave, dishwasher, range. We're going to probably pick up some food later so we don't have to eat out all the time. Got a nice little seating area here. You do actually have a washer and dryer, so you can get your clothes washed if you need to. Now this unit actually has a lock off on it. Obviously we're not using that part, so if you did, this could be a 2-bedroom, but we just got the 1-bedroom. So we got a den area here. There's the deck with the nice view out there. Got a TV in here. And then the bedroom in here. Got a king-size bed. Again, also another TV, and the deck continues across. So we can open up these. So that's a continuous deck all the way across right there, which is nice. Like I said, king-size bed. You really don't have any ports though to charge phones and stuff on the side, so I kind of wish you did. Yeah, I don't see any on either one of them, so I kind of wish they did have that, but maybe they will when they do some refurbishments and stuff in the room. But so in the bathroom, you've got a kind of nice jetted tub that kind of opens up into the bedroom. You've got a sink in here in this part, and then you can close this off. You've got a sink in here in this part. The toilet, and then a really nice shower, good size shower. And since we have been here last time, they've actually added the soap dispensers on the walls and stuff, which is really nice. Or like the hand soap. But yeah, overall it is a nice room with a nice view.